If you're looking to connect your computer to an HDTV or monitor for streaming or gaming, the DisplayPort to DVI cable offers a straightforward solution. It transmits high-definition video clearly, whether you're extending your desktop or mirroring your display. This cable makes sure your visuals stay sharp and smooth without hassle. What sets this cable apart is its build quality. Featuring gold-plated connectors and double shielding, it ensures excellent signal performance and better connectivity. This means fewer interruptions and a more reliable connection, even during intense gaming sessions or extended video playback. The DisplayPort end includes latches with a release button, providing a secure fit that won't accidentally unplug. This detail is crucial for maintaining a stable connection, especially when your setup involves multiple cables and devices. The black 10-foot length also offers plenty of flexibility for different setups. Keep in mind, this is a passive cable designed to work only from DisplayPort to DVI and requires a DP++, DisplayPort++ port. It's not bidirectional, so it won't transmit signals from DVI back to DisplayPort. Knowing this helps avoid compatibility issues and ensures you get the performance you expect. Users from the U.S. praise this cable for its sturdy construction and dependable performance. One customer shared how it worked perfectly after ensuring the DisplayPort end was fully inserted, highlighting the importance of a proper connection. This cable fits well for setups where monitors have DVI or VGA inputs alongside HDMI. If you're upgrading your dual monitor setup or replacing an old cable, this DisplayPort to DVI cable is worth considering. It balances quality and value, giving you clear HD video without complicated installation or frequent disconnections. For anyone wanting a hassle-free way to connect their PC to a DVI monitor or HDTV, this cable delivers what it promises. Its secure latch system, solid shielding, and compatibility with DP++ ports mean you get consistent, high-quality video every time. Try it when you're ready to enhance your video streaming or gaming experience with a reliable, well-built cable. The DisplayPort to DVI cable could be the simple upgrade your setup needs to perform better and look sharper.